Welcome back, children. I am going to start the next chapter, chapter 2, mathematical figures in the computer. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the new software GeoGebra. What is the use of this GeoGebra software? GeoGebra is a mathematics software that integrate algebra, geometry, etc. It is used to create interactive mathematical constructions. Now we will see how should you open this software. Application, Education, GeoGebra. After opened this software, first step we should maximize the window. Then in this main window we are having this grid and axis. We should remove it first. Click on this arrow mark. Click on the first button, show or hide the axis. We can able to hide the axis. Click on the second button to hide the grid. Click on show or hide the grid. Now our window is ready to draw geometrical construction. Close this algebra window also. Okay, here some tools are available. First tool is move tool. Move tool is used to change the position of the lines. So when you click on this arrow mark, we can see different tools. So like this, children, each and every arrow mark, many different tools are available. We will see one by one. When we construct different construction, we can able to understand each tools. We are going to draw a line. How should you draw a line? Here first group tool, second group, like that we are telling. In the third group tool, select the option segment. Once again I am telling you, third group tool, select the option segment. Now our mouse pointer is changed into plus symbol. Click a point here and click and drag and click on the second point. Now I can able to see a line segment. Suppose I want to draw a intersect line. So same segment tool only, I am clicking and dragging like this. See, children, here we can't able to see the point name of this line segment. We should give the, when you draw a line in the geometry, we should give the name A, B, X, Y, like that. Here also we can able to give it. Right click the point, show label. Right click each point like this, we can able to see the label also. After we constructed these two lines, we are going to find angles between two lines. Children, to find an angle, we need 3 points. So in this intersect these two lines, we need a intersect point here. To find an intersect point, click on second group tool in intersect option. In this intersect option, after we click this, click on the line A and click on the line B. Then we will get the intersect point. So I want to label it. Right click the point, click on show label. So I got a point E. To move this point, select the first option, move tool. So we know move tool is used to change the position of the lines. So click and drag this E point, I can able to see it clearly. To find angle between these two lines, click on 8th group tool, angle. Okay. Click the point B, E, C. Okay, I got an angle this side. So I want the opposite angle also. So for this, click on the point A, E and D. So I got these two opposite angles. So click on move tool, just you can able to see it clearly. Understood, children? Now I want the angle of these two areas, which means AEC and BEC. ED. So we remove it and click the point angle. Click on the point C E A. So like that, D E and B. So we got these two angles. So like that, same thing, move tool, you can able to move these two. Normally children, we are saying angle as 55 degree, 66 degree, like that. But here we got this point wise. To change it as a whole degree, for that click on the option menu, rounding, 0 decimal places. Default 2 was selected, so I am going to select the option 0. So my degree is changed into like that. We know circle means circle of an angle of a circle is 180 degree, isn't it? So using move tool, I can able to move the point. Understood? Like that, when you move the point, we can able to see the degree also changing. Now this whole thing and all, full circle, I got the green color. So I want to differentiate. When an angles intersect the lines, we know opposite angles are equal. Here 106, here also 106. So I want to change the color of these angles. So for that, right click the color, change that option, object properties. Now I got the color palette here to change one color. One dark light pink color I selected. So it to increase the color size, this opacity, change the color into pink like that. The same color was I want to select here in this also. So right click the object, same thing object. So I selected the same pink color. So increase the opacity. So now I can able to show the difference. Okay, thank you children.